Hi, this is Pushpa from PRS Media. Today I am going to take you the subject economics for second PUC. What are the important questions you need to study for annual exam? As you know that only few days are been left for the annual exam, that is only 4 months. You need to correctly plan that how you need to study for an exam. Then according to blueprint, if you study, it's very easy to score 90 above, 90% above, that is 90 up to 98 you can easily score. And in the economics, scoring 100 is very easy way. That is, if you follow my rule, these things you will be getting that you will be easily getting 80 out of 80. See that you need to concentrate on the chapter wise. As per blueprint, you need to study the 4 marks and 6 marks questions. In this video I have brought to you for the four marks questions and 6 marks questions. And in these chapters I have taken chapter wise 6 marks and 4 marks question. And if you study these questions, it's more than enough for you to get an out of 6 marks and 4 out of 4 marks in these chapters. So I have taken all the chapters, but in this video I am going to explain you only the first chapter and the second chapter, 4 marks and 6 marks questions, which are going to come for an annual exam. And if you need an explanation of these chapters, these questions regarding 6 marks and 4 marks, please send me in the comment section so that I'll explain you the questions. Okay, see, in the first chapter, that is introduction of microeconomics, that is the first question, that is briefly explain the central problem of economy. This is a compulsory question in the first chapter. If they doesn't ask this question, the second question will be asked, that is briefly explain the production possibility frontier. In these two questions, no other questions are been asked. Any one question will be asked compulsorily for the annual exam for 4 marks. In the same way, in the chapter 2, the theory of consumer behavior. In theory of consumer behavior, the first question will be, what are the differences between the budget line and the budget set? Write the differences between the total utility and marginal utility, and explain the differences between the substitutes and complementaries. These are for 4 marks questions. In these 3, they may ask 1. And in the same way, in the for 6 marks, they may ask you the question like, explain the features of indifference curve with the help of diagram, and explain the indifference map with a diagram. So in these two questions, there are another 2 questions in these chapters. So regarding these 6 marks 4 questions, they may ask 1 question for your annual exam. The next 6 marks question is related to the law of diminishing marginal utility. So in the chapter number 2, the third question will be, explain the law of diminishing marginal utility with the help of the table and the diagram. And the fourth question will be, explain the optimum choice of the consumer with the help of a diagram. In these 4 questions, 1 question will be compulsory asked. You need to study only 4 questions from the chapter number 2. And there will be a one practical oriented question for 5 marks. It is a compulsory question you will be getting for annual exam, since from 5 to 6 years it is being repeated. So if you study this practical oriented question, you will be getting out 5 marks, and you can easily score the 5 marks. See what they have given the 5 marks question actually, that is, you need to write the a consumer wants and a consumer to consume the goods at a price of the banana and a mango. Problem is there, how many mango has been consumed, how many bananas are being consumed, what slope of the budget is there, is that the budget, that thing. Thank you.